Welcome to the outside of the Hagerbach Test Gallery. It is located in eastern Switzerland. There's a map on the other side of the road. And the actual facility is located inside the mountain on the other side of the road. The Hagerbach Test Gallery was created in 1970 by Dr. Rudolf Amberg as a research and development facility for tunnel construction. Over the years, they have conducted research related to all aspects of a tunnel's design and construction, from dealing with fires within a tunnel to using new concrete injections to build or retrofit an existing tunnel. Today, throughout their 5.2-kilometer network of tunnels, they develop and test machines, building materials, and processes for tunnel building and maintenance. Private companies can also rent out space inside the facility to conduct their own research. On the opposite side of the hallway is a map of the gallery. We will visit multiple locations inside. Here the guide is explaining the history of tunnel building. At first, tunnels were drilled by hand. They made small holes in the tunnel face and put metal rods in them. They hit the rods to drill further into the rock. With the advent of explosives, the small holes were still drilled, but then explosives were inserted and blown up. Then a pneumatic hammer is used to clear away the remaining debris. Now there are tunnel boring machines that drill and make the tunnel as they move along. This is an old tunnel boring machine. As you can see, the face of the machine is not much taller than the height of a person. Today there are tunnel boring machines that are much larger than this, that are being used around the world to bore new tunnels. One noticeable company using these machines is the Boring Company in California. Their machine, named Bertha, has tunneled under Los Angeles to create a 2-mile test tunnel. If the company's vision is realized, these tunnels could provide transit underground to alleviate traffic on the surface. What you are looking at is an example of an old tunnel boring machine. Today, the TBMs used are much larger and contain all the elements needed to construct the tunnel as it goes along.
A TBM is 148 meters long and weighs 1,000 tons. This is the equivalent of 14 London buses end to end and a staggering 143 buses in weight.
In this section of the gallery, they bring in emergency responders to practice fighting a fire inside of the tunnel. On either side of the tunnel are pictures of the rail cars used. The gallery does fire testing of materials. Here they have a furnace with a 1.5 by 1.5 meter testing area. Other specialized testing apparatuses can be built. If proper measures are not taken, materials in the tunnel can fail during a fire and can collapse. Opposite the group and next to the furnace is a picture of the furnace up close and a square of material that they test. Here they are testing an imaging laser scanner. To use this inside the tunnel, the technician sets it up near the tunnel face as it is now. Then the tablet is used to begin taking measurements. The system scans the walls of the tunnel and compares them with where the wall should be based on the engineering design. Once the test is complete, the operator can use the tablet to find locations that do not match the design specifications and should be further cut out. The image on the wall opposite the group is an image of the tunnel face that is being surveyed. For more information about Hagerbach and tunnel boring machines, please check out the links in the description of this video.